In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate audio and video clips in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're editing a movie, creating a YouTube video, or working on a personal project, being able to work with your audio and video tracks separately can provide you with a lot more control and flexibility in your editing process. So let's get started and dive into the simple steps to achieve this. First, you want to go to Davinci Resolve on your computer. Open up the project you're working on and navigate to the timeline where you've added your video clips. If you're new to Davinci Resolve, don't worry, this software is robust, but with a bit of practice, you'll find it quite intuitive for editing. Now that you have your project open, find the specific clip on the timeline that you would like to edit. Right-click on that clip to bring up a menu of options. In this list, one of the options you'll notice is Link Clips. This is typically checked by default, meaning your video and audio tracks are linked together, moving as one unit when you make adjustments. For our purposes today, we need to uncheck Link Clips, so simply click on it. Doing so will separate the audio from the video, allowing you to move, edit, or delete the tracks independently of each other. At this point, you may notice that you can now individually adjust the audio and video tracks. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to isolate sounds, introduce new audio elements, or play with timing and effects without affecting the corresponding video or vice versa. Keep in mind, if you want to relink the clips later on, you would follow these same steps and check Link Clips from the menu to unify them once more. And that's really all there is to it. You've effectively separated the audio from the video in Davinci Resolve, giving yourself the creative freedom to make your edits as precise and customizable as you need. Remember, experimentation is a great way to learn, so feel free to try out different edits now that you have the ability to manipulate these components individually. Completing these steps should arm you with another useful tool in your video editing toolbox. Before you know it, you'll be able to apply these techniques to streamline your workflow and enhance your projects further. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to separate audio and video in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and happy editing!